That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. That news was brought to you by International Series Philippine and Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo. Tickets available now at SM Tickets.
Get ready! Some of the biggest names in the world of golf are set to wow sports fans. International Series Philippines presented by Bingo Plus. Debuts in Manila from October 23 to 26 at the prestigious Santa Elena Golf Club. It's more than golf. Enjoy headline concerts, live music, and interactive fan experiences. Tickets are available now at SM Tickets with free entry on Thursday and Friday. Don't miss this ultimate celebration of golf. International Series Philippines is presented by Bingo Plus. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop.
Ang kinis na niya.
In fairness, nag-glow up.
May budget.
So solid. White Rose Papaya, wow. White Rose. White Rose Papaya, wow. White Rose. White Rose Papaya. May glow up with White Rose Papaya.
Puti sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puti power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up by the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Kuti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Mapa-on cam sa TV o on air sa radyo. Aba, dapat laging lively at full of energy. Hello, beautiful people! Ako ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero. Always at your service. Hindi pwedeng lalamya-lamya. Kaya ang partner ko sa trabaho, MX3 Capsule, coffee at tea. MX3 Capsule, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3, tunay, natural at original.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protectado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protectado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Kung ikaw ay edad 50 pataas katulad ko, may mataas na ang risk ng panlalabo ng paningin. Mas challenging ang pang-araw-araw na gawain tulad ng pagbabasa, pagsusulat, at pagmamaneho. Ang Optin ay may lutin na maaaring makatulong sa kalusugan ng mata, nilalabanan ng epekto ng glaucoma, macular degeneration at katarata. Kitang-kita ang kalusugan.
Mabibili ang Optin sa mga pangunahing butika nationwide. Mahalagang paalala, ang Optin ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
DMC Philippines, in cooperation with Solaire Resort North, present the ABBA Reunion Tribute Show. The ABBA Reunion Tribute Show, a world-class creation of an award-winning London West End director, producer, and choreographer, performing the greatest hits of ABBA on October 29 at the Grand Ballroom of Solaire Resort North, October 30 at the Jose Rizal Coliseum in Calamba, Laguna. Don't miss the spectacular The ABBA Reunion Tribute Show. Tickets available at Ticket World for October 29 and SM Tickets for October 30 event. The ABBA Reunion
LUs, ang himpilan ng RM